Hey guys, it's Mashawa, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this glam ass look right here. I'm wearing a lot of makeup in this video, but it's so worth it. This look is beautiful. It looks good for anything, any occasion. This is my go-to glam look. Just a really beautiful, neutral, glam ass cut crease. So I really hope you guys like it. If you don't know how to get it, keep on watching. So first, I'm just quickly filling in my eyebrows because this part takes me forever because I was not born with eyebrows. This is all drawn in, so I'm just using an eyebrow pencil and then some clear eyebrow gel just to set everything so that way my eyebrows don't melt off. Now I'm using the UrbanDecay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. I really love this stuff because it really cancels out your eyelids, but at the same time it's a really tacky base to make all of your eyeshadow just stick. And I also really love using it on my under eyes because I just feel like it makes my concealer last better and crease less, and this stuff is really useful. I love this shit. Now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill brushes as well. I really like these brushes. I really feel like they're all you need. So I'm using the fluffiest brush out of all her brushes and just taking that and really just taking that first color and putting it all over the crease and the eyelid just to kind of set the eyeshadow primer, but also to add a lot more color to the eye because this look is going to be filled with a lot of browns. I'm also taking a slightly less dense brush and really just blending out that same shade so that way it looks more blown out. Now I'm taking a similar mustardy shade from the palette. This shade is really yellowy and more vibrant than the other one, and I'm just blending that into the crease. And then I'm taking this really dark color from the palette on a more defined brush and putting that towards the outer portion of the eye and also slightly towards the lower portion of the eye later. And I'm really just blending this out just so that way it adds a lot of dimension, so that way it doesn't just look like a bunch of browns on your eyes. It actually builds up to look kind of like a beautiful gradient. And I love putting this shade also in the outer portion of the eye just because it adds a lot more drama without looking too much. Like, I really like to kind of go in with the more dense brush and then blending it out with the more fluffy brush. Now I'm going in with the same eyeshadow primer potion and I'm cutting the inner portion of my eye using a flat brush, and this will really make the eyeshadow pop. It will make it look so defined and so beautiful. I love doing this. This is just so amazing. Now I'm taking the lightest shade from my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just setting the eyeshadow primer potion so that way it doesn't crease and so that way the eyeshadow doesn't move around. Then I'm going in with Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette. This is really similar to the darker shade we used from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I was just too lazy to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I was like, why not? So I'm basically filling out the outer portion of the eye again just because cutting that crease can kind of make you lose more of that drama. Now I'm going into Raw Sienna, it's just a slightly brown shade, and going back into the crease so that way we don't lose the dimension, because cutting the crease can really just wash out everything, and you do want that brightness, but at the same time you don't want to lose it. I'm also taking Raw Sienna and putting it on my lower lash line just to gradually add more drama to the lower lash line without doing too much all at once. I'm going back into Cypress Umber and slightly putting it on the outer portion of the lower lash line just to really open up the eyes. And I'm also putting it where I would typically put on my eyeliner so that way my eyeliner looks a teeny bit more smoky. Then I'm going into Primavera. This shade deserves an award. This is the most beautiful inner corner highlight I've ever used in my entire fucking life. I love this so much. I use this for every single look, for the inner corner and the brow bone highlight. It's just amazing. Now I'm going in with Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner, and yo, I don't know what type of sex they be having at the Too Faced headquarters, but it must be some good stuff because this eyeliner is amazing. I love this so much. Basically with eyeliner, I kind of draw like a triangle by making a flick on the outer corner and then connecting it to the middle portion of my lash line and then basically filling the rest in. I don't know if that made sense, but I tried, man. Okay, wow, I look really scared there, but now I'm going in with more pencil-y type of eyeliner. What kind of description was that? That was so bad. But yeah, basically tightlining my eyes. Now I'm curling my eyelashes. I'm prepping them for falsies. I'm not even gonna bother putting on falsies on camera because that is really stressful. So here's a clip of me putting on mascara instead to mesh my falsies with my real eyelashes. And yeah, let me do you a favor. Go get ColourPop mascara. This stuff is amazing and it's so affordable. It even works really well on the lower lash line. Like, this stuff is so beautiful and made my lower lashes look insane. And honestly, you don't even need falsies with this mascara. Now I'm going in with the 100% pure mattifying primer. This primer is beautiful. Like, it makes your skin feel great. 100% pure. Again, the ingredients are all amazing, and this stuff will make your foundation, concealer, everything just last beautifully. Now I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. This stuff is so full coverage, but I'm not mad at it. Like, this has replaced my foundation for like special events and stuff like that because this CC cream is full coverage and lasts forever. It just looks great on the skin. I love this so much. I know some people either really love it or really hate it, but I'm definitely one of those bitches who just can't live without it. I love this. I love this so much. Can you tell I like it? Now I'm going in with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm putting that all over my under eyes because my eye bags are horrible. Especially when you smoke out the lower lash line, you definitely want to add under eye concealer. And I'm basically taking the tip of my beauty blender and really just focusing it on my under eye bag so that way everything looks blended out. I'm not really into highlighting my under eye, so I just like to go in with the same shade. I also like going on the sides of my mouth and the rest of my face that might need a little more coverage. Now I'm going in with powder to set my face. This is the Innisfree No Sebum Loose Powder. It's not a bad powder, but it's not my favorite. I feel like considering the price, it's definitely not bad at all, but I could find better. But yeah, so I'm here baking my face. I did that dance over there because I was just waiting for my face to bake. So I basically just put on excess powder on the high points of my face and just waited for about like 5 minutes or so, and then I took off the excess. Now I'm contouring my face with the Dior Backstage contour palette. Man, I used to be obsessed with Kat Von D Shade and Light, but then this came into my life and then I forgot who she was because this contour palette is great. It's super blendable and it has all the shades you need if you're medium to fair skin. And I'm also taking off the bake under my contour. It's kind of like my contour beard. And I'm also taking a more tapered eyeshadow brush. I'm just using it to contour my nose. Now I'm taking my blush. Oh, I forgot to include this, but this is the Burt's Bees blush. Ooh, I forgot. But yeah, now I'm using the Mario Badescu Rosewater Setting Spray. This stuff is amazing. And then I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. This stuff is super natural, but I'm not super into highlight just because my face gets really oily, so I just like to stay away from too much highlight. Now I'm going in with Kat Von D Lolita Liquid Lipstick, putting that all over my lips so that way, you know, my lips don't look like they have concealer on it like they do right now. And basically, that's the finished makeup look. I hope you guys liked watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. This was so much fun to film. Let me know what you want to see next down in the comments below. And if you have any questions, y'all know, hit up those comments. Hope I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.